Hi friends, welcome to Yum Veg Cooking, and today we are making a very delicious simple recipe which is the Wadi Soya Bean Pulao. We all love rice pulao, but if you're bored of your recipe, you should definitely try mine because this is a very simple, unique, yummy recipe. So let's get started. So first in a pan I'm adding boiling water. If you're not using boiling water, you can boil the water and then add soya bean Nutri-Nuggets. Just soak them, dip them for like 3 to 4 minutes at hot boiling water and they're done. Take them off the flame and drain them. Next, in a kadai, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And then in this oil, put your soya nuggets and fry them, shallow fry them for 3 to 4 minutes. Once done, take them out on a plate. And now, we'll cook the tadka. So in the same pan, I'm adding 2 teaspoons of oil. Also adding 2 tablespoons of Desi ghee. Whenever I'm cooking my rice recipes, I always try to use Desi ghee. Now adding 1 to 2 Tejpatta, some black peppercorns, 2 to 3 long, adding 1 cup of onions. Saute them for 3 to 4 minutes until the onions change their color. Adding 1 cup of potato cubes. I've not boiled them, I've just added them as it is. And then we'll mix them nicely. Cook them for 3 to 4 minutes and then I'm adding 1 green chili, thinly sliced. Adding 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Again, give it a nice mix. And then add 1 cup of chopped tomatoes. Give it a nice mix, and the tomatoes will take around 5 to 7 minutes to cook. And then I'm adding 1 cup of frozen matar or peas and then mixing it all nicely. Now we'll add some spices to this. So I'm adding around 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of dhania powder, 1 teaspoon of jeera powder, half a teaspoon of lal mirch powder, 1 tablespoon of pulao masala and 1 tablespoon of biryani masala. So these are the spices that I really like in my pulao, and I'm gonna mix them all nicely. So my tadka is almost ready. Also in this recipe I like to add a lot of dhania. So roughly chopping it and adding it to the masala, giving it a nice mix, and then adding the vadiya. Those are fried. And then I'm adding around 1 cup of rice and 2 cups of water to this pulao. If you want, you can add more rice, just depends how much quantity you want to make. And then after 1 boil, we will cover this rice for around 10 minutes. And after covering this, we cook it on low to medium flame for around 10 minutes. In 10 minutes you will see these are ready. So we'll just check if the rice are cooked. And even if there is a little water left, you can just turn off the flame and cover them again for 3 to 4 minutes and they will really cook nicely. So I'm just turning off the flame and covering it for 3 to 4 minutes again. And my beautiful pulao is ready to eat. Serve it hot with raita, achar, or just as it is. I'm sure you're bored of your regular pulao masala recipe. So do try this one and let me know in the comment section. If you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.